Make sure you do all the other problems. I'm going to go over this. Now, explaining your graph is very important. This will be on your test, okay? This question will be on your test. Just type anyways. So when you're graphing this, we did these numbers in class, you have to graph one thing at a time. You can do the income graph, and then, oh, this is 20 and 700 first. So 0, 500, 0, 500, each one is by 35. So 500 is somewhere there. Okay. That's for that one. And then 20 and 700, no, 12.5. 12.5 is right there, and 625. 625 is, oh, let me go all the way up, is below 630. And then, of course, 20 and 700 is up here. And then draw your line and make sure you label income. I'm going to look for that on your homework. If you don't label it, you won't get. And this label here is the dollar amount for Y. You need to put that, and total number of people. Labeling your graph is very, very, very important. And then you do that for cost. Cost is 0, 600. 0, 600 is about right there. And the other one is right there. And then the last one is 20 and 640. 640 is about right there. And then notice one thing is these line up. This is in the middle and that line up, okay? And you need to label this cost. Explain the graph. Okay. Before, at 12 and lower. At 12, if there's 12 and less or less people. At 12 or less people, the cost is more than what they make. The cost is more than what they make. At 13 and over, while at 13, so there's no, you can't have 12 and a half people. At 12.5 people on average, and at 12.5 people, not possible. But all the other ones, if I give you, it comes out a decimal, it will work. At 12 and a half people, the company will make $625, but it cost $625. So profit is 0. That's important you mention that here. Okay, profit is 0. And after that, after this point, I need to go over this with you guys. I didn't get time today. Okay, after that, the income is bigger than the cost. So after that, after 12 at 13 and more, at 13 or more people, the company will make money. Okay? There we go. Suppose you want to combine two types of fruit to create. So you're making create, so that goes on the third row. All right. So first, the type. TYPE, the type of solution. The second, percent to decimal. Percent to decimal. The amount. And then U, that's a U. And then total at the end. Okay, and yeah, I'll have to make it this long, right? Okay, so there's two types of solution, and the third is what you're creating. You want to create 24 kilograms, that's the amount, of drink that will be 5% sugar, so this is 5% sugar, so 0.05 by weight. Fruit A, so this is fruit A, drink A. It's 4%. And drink B is 8% by weight, and none of them gave us the amount, so we give X and Y. Solve to find. Okay, multiply these two together. 0.04x, 0.08y, multiply that. Let me get a calculator. Okay. 0.05 times 24, get 1.2 kilograms. So set it up. So x plus y equals to 24, and I'm going to multiply this by 100, so I get 4x plus 8y equals to 120. Most likely you can multiply this by a -4 or a -8. You guys decide. Finish using elimination. Make sure you give me a complete sentence. There are such and such kilogram of drink A and blank kilogram of fruit B, drink B. Okay, and you do the same here. So you are creating this, so that goes on the third one, right? Okay, you guys do that one. I'm going to check. Make sure you can set it up. Okay, number 8. A boat traveled 45 miles upstream, so equals to 45. It's going upward, so it's a minus. So the boat average minus going upstream, so I'll put minus P, speed going up. I don't want to use U, looks like some other number, against the current in 5 hours, so they travel that in 5 hours. Okay, the boat travels same distance downstream, so downstream 45 miles. It's going down, so we'll put same P. That'll help push it going down, so it's a lot faster in 3 hours. Okay. Now we could get rid of this 5 by dividing by 5. Divide this by 3. So our equation A minus P equals to 9. A plus going upstream is 15. And you can use substitution, right? 2A equals to 24. Then your average speed is 12, right? Divide by 2. Therefore, let's put it back. So the boat speed is boat rate is 12 miles per hour, and the wind rate put it back into the equation. So 12 minus, or let's do P plus P. Okay, different color, that's awful. Plus P equal times 3 equals to 45. So you got 36 plus 3P. Subtract 36. Okay, oh no, that's a 5. That's what happens when you can't read your number. That's a 9. So the wind speed going upstream, no, not wind, going upstream and upstream rate is 3 miles per hour. Try this one on your own. This is similar to that with the current and against the current. Against is minus, okay? And then try this one, graph. Make sure you explain the graph. That's going to be all this going to be on your test. This mixture problem is going to be on your test. Make sure you know it. How to do it.